What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode, we're heading to a Cambodian rotating skewer restaurant. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find what I see. Meet people, eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Hi. Yeah. So we're walking in, it's like a nice parking lot. There's a nice security guy there. Looks like a little courtyard with many restaurants, maybe just a few here beside each other. Looks like they have outdoor seating too out here. Thank you. This is it, and they'll bring you the skewers you choose and put them across here. One chicken thigh, pork belly, crab stick, yeah, a bread one, and an Australian lamb, and a pineapple. Yeah, that's good enough, I think. They've also got like double length tables over there. So if you come with the big group, you could have a big work party or a big group, and they could accommodate it. There's even also a big table in a private room here with a wall around it. So they came over and they put water inside of here. I think it's so later when it's cooking, and if anything drips down there, it won't create smoke. It'll just float in the water. That's why. So it's some pickled vegetable, pickle, soy sauce, and mustard sauce. Yeah, it looks like a little orange juice shot, and I poured it into the soda water. It's really nice. You can see it dripping now inside. It smells amazing. So they kind of help you out, and if something looks like it's ready, they'll take it from the lower one and rest it on the higher one up so nothing will get burned, overcooked. Look at those crab sticks. They really got bigger once they got barbecued. Right, that last one was the lamb. Let's take a look at it. The lamb one is really nice. A lot of them are like 80 cents or $1 each, but this one's $2.20. So one thing left, just the okra. You can see all the oil and grease that dropped in there. So you can see all the different skewer items I got. It's written in Khmer, but a lot of them are 80 cents, 60 cents, 35 cents. The lamb was $2.20 and my drink was $2. It's total $9.19. So it was a really good experience, actually. I didn't know what it would be like monitoring the skewers, but the waitresses do it for you. They kind of stay away from you to give you privacy, but they're keeping an eye on your thing, and they'll pop over every once in a while and check it out and maybe lift one to the top shelf if it's cooked enough. They're always like taking care of you. And I ordered a soda water, and they brought like a little shot of orange juice to go in it, and it tasted so good. Like that was a nice touch. And in the video, I sort of showed just an assortment of all different skewers and even on the other flip side, they have rice and noodle dishes and staples. They have set meals, so you don't even have to do the skewer thing. They're like a normal restaurant too with a regular menu. But yeah, overall, great experience. I highly recommend you come check it out. It would be good with a group too. And even if you have a large group, there's the private room in the back and they have long tables. That's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
Life is tall.